Nanghihina ka ba? Let today's devotion inspire you to look up to our true source of energy. Welcome to the last part of our series, Inspiring Men and Women. Mr. Pure Energy. Si Gary Valenciano ay isang tanyag na singer at songwriter. Tinawag siyang Michael Jackson of the Philippines in the 1980s and 1990s. Kilala siya sa kanyang high-energy concert performances with complicated jumps and gyrations. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay Mr. Pure Energy. Grabe. Half Filipino, half Puerto Rican, pinasiklab ni Gary ang Filipino music industry dahil sa kanyang boses at energetic dance moves. Isa rin siya sa most respected celebrities ng ating bansa. Wow! Paano ba nasusustain ni Gary ang kanyang popularity in his 4 decades as a celebrity? Ito po ang sagot niya. My faith has brought me through every obstacle in my life. Wow! A devout Christian, it is his strong faith in God that keeps him going all through these years. Kasama sa obstacles ang kanyang health condition. He has faced death up close multiple times. Nilalabanan niya ang type 1 diabetes all of his life. And in 2018, he had an open heart surgery. And yet, by the grace of God, he continues to perform in numerous concerts both here and abroad. Sabi ng isang interviewer, in his various concerts, his impassioned speeches about life, love, and faith always put the audience in a contemplative hush. Papaisip sila. Dagdag ni Gary, as long as this heart continues to beat, I want to continue uplifting and encouraging people through my music. I have given you my all as I have consistently tried to do so with every performance. This is how I wish to be remembered. Gary Valenciano has complete trust in God. He refers to Him as the source of true, pure energy. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, salamat po sa buhay ni Gary V. Isa po siyang role model para sa maraming kabataan. Patuloy po niyo siyang ingatan at gamitin para sa pagpapalaganap ng inyong ebanghelyo. Kung mayroon kang classmate or office mate na kailangan ma-encourage, pwede mong i-share ang buhay ni Gary V para ma-inspire siya na magtiwala sa ating Panginoon. Ngunit muling lumalakas at sumisigla ang nagtitiwala kay Yahweh. Lilipad sila tulad ng mga agila. Sila'y tatakbo ngunit hindi mapapagod. Sila'y lalakad ngunit hindi manghihina. Isaiah 40:31. When we are in Christ, our lives shine because Jesus, who is the light of the world, makes His glory known through us. Be an inspiration today. This is Jericho Arceo saying, God is the source of true, pure energy.